Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. We've got a battle of the supermarket today. Aldi's and Tesco's. Let me show you what we're battling. We're battling lasagna. Now I'm not really supposed to eat lasagna, but I'm going to try it. This is the Aldi lasagna. This was £3.25, that was. And that's the Tesco lasagna. That was £3.50. Right, so let's open them up and let's have a look what they're like. Do the Tesco one first, obviously. There it is. I mean, it's a lasagna, isn't it? So there's the Tesco one. And there's the Aldi one. Obviously, first thing you notice is Aldi's got loads of cheese on it, ain't it? Loads of cheese. Right, let's look at the instructions on them. Right, the Tesco one first. Taste of Italy, obviously. Instructions. You see that? Remove film lid, place on a baking tray, centre oven, 35 to 40 minutes. Well, my oven's on preheating anyway, you can probably hear it. It's loud my oven is for some reason. That's that one. And the beef one, the Aldi one is, where's the camera? See that? Come on, straighten that up. $30 minutes in the oven, the Aldi one. Middle shelf. Or until the brown, top's nice and brown. So 35 minutes to 30 minutes. Do you take the film off them? Is that what it says? Remove the film, yeah. You take the film off. So first things first, we'll take the film off and have a look. Tesco's one. There's not much cheese in that, to be fair, is there? I mean, there might be loads underneath, but not a lot on top on that one. It smells nicer, that Tesco one does, I must admit that. And the Aldi one. Can't get the film off this one. Tesco's one comes straight off. This one's not. There's the Aldi one. Tesco one smells a lot stronger, to be fair. What's the difference in the weights on them? That's the point. Tesco one is 800 grams. And the Aldi one is, oh, you get more on the Aldi, 1 kg, for 25p cheaper as well. I mean, the Aldi one looks really full, look, compared. I mean, if you compare. Anyway, we'll get them in the oven. We'll cook them, and we'll give them a taste. It's all about the taste. So I'll stick them in the oven now and we'll bring you back when they're done. Right guys, it's all been done. I took the Aldi one out first after 30 minutes, it took 35 minutes, that one. And the Tesco's one took about 45. So the Aldi one's been a bit cooler. Which one do you think looks the best? There's Tesco. And there's Aldi. I'm not sure, to be honest. I think maybe the Tesco one might look a bit more like a lasagna. I don't know whether that's because you can see the sheets of pasta. But it's all in the taste, isn't it? So let's give it a taste and we'll come to a conclusion then, I suppose. Right then, people, let's do the Aldi one first, because that's been a bit cooler. So we'll cut the Aldi one up. It looks very creamy, to be fair. I say I'm not supposed to eat lasagna, so I can only eat a little bit of it, but we can try it. I'll get a spatula out so I can show you, see if I can get it all out in one. Bit more cutting there, I think. Well, there's the Aldi one. Looks nice. I mean, it's solid, it stayed together, which is a great sign. Let's try a bit of the Aldi one. Let's cut it up. There it is. There it is, look. Up, spout. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Oh, that's very creamy. Very creamy. Well, so I can't eat too much of it, I've got to be really careful. I'll get gastro. I'll start foaming at the mouth. I know it sounds silly, but that's what happens. That's lovely, that is. That's gorgeous. Oh, shame I can't eat more than that. That's gorgeous. Right, let's do the Tesco one. I'll turn that round. And get the Tesco one. The Aldi one come apart absolutely superb. Now on to the Tesco one. I'll cut it all up. Got myself another spatula, a different one. Try and keep things the same. And there is the Tesco one. There's the Tesco one. It's a lot more sloppy, it's got a lot more juice in it. See if you can see that properly. There it is, look. So let's cut this one up. So it's a lot more runny, this one. Aldi's is like nice and firm. I suppose it's how you like them, I suppose. There's the Tesco. There it is. One clear winner in this. One clear winner. So I can't eat too much of it. It makes me really ill in the stomach. But there's one clear winner in this. I think you know what I'm going to say, don't you? Aldi, 100% the clear winner. And you get more. And it's 25p cheaper. Aldi is lovely and creamy. It's got that lovely nice texture. Tesco is more like slop. I mean, if you like a sloppy lasagna. But it hasn't got the taste. The taste, I'm going to try a bit more of the taste. I shouldn't really be eating it, but just a little bit. The Tesco one, the Aldi one. and the Tesco one. Yeah. The Tesco one tastes a bit like, remember at school dinners? The mince, it tastes like that. It's definitely the Aldi. The Aldi's 100% the winner. So well done, Aldi. Aldi's won that battle. Sorry, Tesco's. Up your game a little bit. So anyway, I am the old food guy. If you do like content like this, you want to see more supermarket battles, give us a like, give us a subscribe, leave us a comment. Till the next time, I say I can't eat much more than that. I don't know whether the wife's going to eat it. Till next time, see you later. Bye bye.